Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you. I want to introduce you to my new signal service. It's called Premium Forex Signals. And what I do is I use my Easy Harmonic indicator, which I have loaded here on my MetaTrader. Okay. And what I do is I scan over 20 different currency pairs, all right, all day long. And I also have all these currency pairs running on a VPS server so that I can access these no matter where I am. I don't have to be at home, 24/7. I have assistants helping me post these signals so that I have people in different time zones posting the signals so that, I can get a few hours of sleep every day. But that way, if you are a member of my signal group, you will receive signals around the clock, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. So with that said, I post all my signals using Telegram. Okay. I used to use my Facebook group, and that was not very effective. So I had a lot of people request I use Telegram. I researched different applications for sending text messages, and seeing that Telegram was probably the most secure. So anyhow, these are what my signals look like. Okay, and I have the bulk of my signals are based on a 30-minute chart. Okay. Now some of my signals are based on a 4-hour chart. These are swing trades. My 30-minute signals you see here, it's a buy or call or sell or put, right? And they can be used for either Forex or binary options, your choice. And my swing trades are exclusively for Forex since they are long term. I post a strike rate. I do not post a take profit or stop loss, or I do not also for binary options. I do not post an expiration time. Reason being is that I do not know when a trade is going to expire if you trade in binary options, but I suggest trying like a 35, maybe 45-minute expiration time. Different brokers offer different expiration times. Usually about 45-minute expiration time is a ideal expiration time for these signals. Okay, and if you trade Forex, I would suggest on these 30-minute signals use about a 50, no more than 100 pip take profit. And for a stop loss, I personally do not use a stop loss, but um, depending on the time of day and the news, some of these signals could severely go in the opposite direction, and it's happened a few times. So I suggest using probably about a 300 pip stop loss. That way, your trade does not hit the stop loss, but it still gives you a level of comfort and a level of security. All right. So you have to do, practice and demo these. I would say demo a few hundred trades just to get a good grasp of how these signals work. But I'm going to show you a real quick and easy way to ensure your success of these signals. Okay. Now, I personally do not trade binary options, but if you do, you totally understand how to place a call or put. So I'm not going to show you how to do that, but it's very, very simple. And you can see in my previous videos how to trade binary options. But I'm going to show you a simple way which I use to trade my signals, which can give you a pretty much guaranteed win. All right. So now, for example, this last signal here that came in it says swing trade 4-hour Euro USD, right? And it's a buy, which means the price is going up. Okay, and it says strike rate 1.06150. So if I go here and look at Euro USD, let me find that. I have so many currency pairs open. Oops. Right here. Okay. So this right here, let me go back here, 1.06150, and it is already at 1.06230. So it's already gone up almost 100 pips since I posted this signal about 15 minutes ago. So you can see it's definitely in the money. But Anyhow, what I recommend doing is, okay, a lot of times the price will go down because I'm thinking that this is a 4-hour support line. This is what my signals are based on. So this is kind of a give or take on a strike rate, but price might continue to go down, and if it does, um, I posted this signal about 15 minutes ago. So the next hour it might continue to go down a little more. I'm not for sure. The next bar won't form for another 3 hours, 3.5 hours. But what I do is I'll set a pending order for a price that's higher than what the current price is. Okay. So if you're doing a buy trade, you want to set a pending order for a price that's higher. Now, if you're doing a sell trade, betting the price is going to go down, you will want to set a pending order for a sell trade. And I'll show you exactly how to do that. And I'm going to draw an imaginary line first of all that's slightly above 1.06233. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a new order. Like I click there. And then I'm going to go right here where it says market execution. Click on that and it'll say pending order. Okay. And I'm going to go right here. Well, first of all, I'm going to go here. I'm going to do a buy stop or sell stop. These are the only two you need to worry about. Do not worry about the buy limit, sell limit, but we're going to do a buy stop. Okay. And I'm going to set the price wherever that red line is right here. And the price is 1.06233. Okay. And choose the lot size. I recommend using a 0.01 lot size for every $100 in your Forex account. So this is just a demo account, showing you how this works. There's $50,000 in this demo account opened, but obviously your trade account's not going to have that much if you're starting out in Forex. But if you have, say, $100 in your account, you would use a 0.01, 200, 300, $400, so on and so forth. Now that's the maximum you want to use for a lot size, but per $100. That's what I recommend. Now I'm going to I'm just going to use 0.10. It's a common lot size for a lot of people. And what I'm going to do is set the price here at 1.06233. That's the price that the trade is going to execute at. Okay. And then I'm going to set a take profit for 300 pips. Since this is a 4-hour trade. All right. 1.06533. All right. That's going to be 300 pips. Now I'm going to place this order now. It is not active, but that is the pending order. Now I can easily adjust this, which is cool. I can move this up and down, and you see how the take profit moves with it. So I'm going to put it back where it was and just leave it. All right. And this is the 4-hour resistance. So I would not go any higher than the 4-hour, and I would not go any more than 300 pips. For the 4-hour trades, use a maximum 300 pip, and you can always adjust this right here if you want, lower it down a little bit. And for the 30-minute trades, no more than 100 pip. All right, take profit. And if we look at the 30-minute chart, let's see what the 30-minute chart looks like, which is not a 30-minute signal, but it's the same concept basically. You can see I've been going down all day long. It's finally hit a strong level of support. All right, so this is the 30-minute resistance, 1 hour resistance, 4 hour. So it might take all day, maybe even the next day before it actually hits that take profit. So these 4-hour trades are long term, and the 30-minute ones are short term. If you did just a 50 pip take profit, it would hit that within an hour. So all these small trades add up really quickly, and you do not have to worry about the price going in the opposite direction. So as long as you set it higher than what your current price is, then once it hits that price and goes up, then you'll go into profit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do a short, just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to do a small take profit. All right, that is 30 pips, $3, a small take profit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and come back in, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes to an hour after it's hit the take profit level, and show you that the trade executed. Well, actually, I'll show you when the trade actually opens, and then I'll show you when it hits the take profit, okay? Because I don't want to be here on this video, make this video an hour long, okay? So let me pause this video, and I'll come back to you shortly. Thank you. Well, it already opened that quick. So it's already executed the trade, and every time you execute a trade, you're automatically in the negative. So you see the price going up right now. So I'm willing to bet in the next 15 minutes it's going to hit that take profit. So I'm going to pause the video now and come back to you again, okay? I'll see you shortly. Okay, I'm back now. It only took about 10 minutes for the price to hit the take profit, and it is tracking upwards now. So I just want to show you real quick where that trade closed at. Go to account history here, and you'll see that for 30 pips it closed at $3. All right, so I've been using this method for the past week, and you can see all the trades here that have won. Every single one of them has closed in profit. My 30-minute trades are smaller in profit because they're only 50 to 100 pips. All right, and the larger trades obviously have a lot more profit, but they take longer to close. It might take a few hours or a few days to close. So, but I give a variety of signals and a variety of levels of profit that you can choose from. And this is a real simple method. So to recap, I just want to tell you, if you're doing a sell trade, okay, if you're doing a sell trade, when you do a pennant order, go here to pennant order, you're going to do a sell stop, okay, and you want the price to be below, like, okay, for example, this right here is pointing down, and let's say the price is somewhere around here. You want the price to be higher than the price in the strike rate that I post. Okay, so when the price, wait for the price to go higher. After it goes higher, say about 30-40 pips, then set a pennant order for that strike rate and just wait. And if the price continues to go in opposite direction, you're not at risk of losing anything because the trade never executed. So a lot of times the price will continue in the opposite direction, especially on the 30-minute trades, and that's fine as long as you set a pennant order and just wait for it to come back down. Now once you have the pennant order set and the price does keep on, let's say it shoots way up in the opposite direction, you can adjust that. As I showed you previously, you can adjust that pennant order to bring it up towards the current price. All right. And the same thing with a buy trade. You want to use a buy stop if you're going to place a buy trade and you want to wait till the price goes below the strike rate that I posted, and then use the strike rate as your entry point for your buy stop. Do not worry about buy limit and sell limit. That's if you're already in a certain level and you want to go below and then hit, then it'll execute. For the signals, we're not going to use the limit settings. We're just going to use the stop. Okay. Try to make this very, very simple. So that's how you place a trade. I post signals in my Telegram app, which is available on a computer desktop, or it's available on your mobile phone. Using this method right here, you do not have to have the Easy Harmonic. I only recommend using Easy Harmonic to confirm entry, and so that you can see what I am seeing with the signals. All right. So if the price, doesn't seem to want to go in the direction you want, try using a pin and order. And that's pretty much it. I'm trying to think of anything else I can post and put in this video here real quick. But that's real simple how you do it. If you have any questions, please hit me up on Facebook. I've been helping people all day long, day and night, getting just a few hours of sleep every night. Try to help everybody. But hopefully this video will clear up some questions that people have had, and it will explain more about my signal service and what it is. Okay? If you have any questions, like I said, hit me up on Facebook. I'll leave a link in my description, and I'll also leave a link to my Facebook group if you have not joined. So thank you so much. Bye.